So I'm just gonna be getting ready today basically. It's Eid. Today I'm not doing much because I just don't feel very well. But I still wanted to get ready. I wanted to actually put some effort in. I've got hair somewhere on my lip. But I thought I'd put some effort in for today and just do a full face makeup because I feel like I literally haven't done that in a while. So I thought I would film it because I know you enjoy my get ready with me. So this is the look that I ended up doing. We've gone full glam. Like, we've put on shitloads of makeup today, but it doesn't feel like it, and I love everything, and I like how the makeup turned out, especially the skin. Very glowy. We don't even have highlight on, and look at the skin. But that's all we're doing today, so it's a very chilled out video. Get your beverage, get your snack, whatever you want, and enjoy my little get ready with me for today. Alright, so as we can see, let me clean that fallout up. I've already done one eye. I haven't done this in such a long time. I feel like this is how I probably should do my videos, but to be fair, I had no idea like what I wanted to do for eyeshadow today. I just had it in my head that I just wanted to use like a red. I kind of wanted to go for like a berry, like a warm, smoky, soft eye, but still kind of a bit smoky. It does not go with my outfit whatsoever. I almost had a breakdown, like trying to figure out something to wear. I don't know, it was just one of those days where I just looked at my wardrobe and I looked at all my clothes and I was like, I hate everything. I don't know why. I mean, it's probably the cancer in me. It's definitely the cancer in me. I just almost started to cry because I just hated all my clothes. I literally feel like shit. I'm not going anywhere. I'm not seeing anybody. I don't want to. I feel like poop. I feel like I should start doing Eid tutorials, but I mean, it's a bit late now. I mean, we'll have another one. I feel like I don't think I've ever done one, and I feel like I should do one. I'm just gonna have like a chill one with my mum today. I feel like I think we're gonna go get a coffee. The weather's really crap, but we just want to kind of go out and just get a drink or something. So I'm gonna go out, get a coffee or something. And then we've been watching The Mandalorian, okay, because my mum hasn't seen it from the beginning, like the series, so I've been watching it with her. We've almost finished it, and like once we've done with that, I really want to watch Merlin with her, and I asked her last night if she'd be happy with that. She said yeah. If you have not seen it and you love like not medieval, but stuff that's kind of like set like in that kind of time period, like Lord of the Rings kind of vibes, Game of Thrones kind of vibes, but like you want something so wholesome and so pure that it's such an innocent TV show. I love it so much, and I rewatch random episodes literally all the time if I feel like crap, which I've been doing a lot recently, and it just makes me feel so happy. It's just one of those safe TV shows, you know? Have I got a wire hanging down? That does not look cute. So yeah, if you just want a wholesome, cute little show, Merlin is so good. Anyway, I'm gonna shut up and show you how I did this eye look. So I used the Picante palette from Karity. I haven't used this in a long time, but it's just like the ultimate palette if I feel like doing like a berry red kind of look. So it's literally the ideal palette for that. So I've just primed my lid and I'm just gonna show you how I did the eye look. So enjoy. I forgot to say grab a beverage. I've got water. Tum Tum has not settled down at the moment. It's still like, it's not good because I should be going back to work next week, but it seems to just be like no. So anyway. So I'm going to use the e.l.f. Lash It Loud mascara to lengthen my lashes. I just curled them. Primer. I'm actually going to use the face primer that I've been using like non-stop since I got it. This is the Jelly Pop primer from e.l.f. This, not gonna lie, this is like one of my favourite face primers I've ever used. It's so sticky and so tacky, but it blends so nicely into your skin. Like, I'm a bit funny with e.l.f. face primers just because I think I mentioned it in one of my last videos maybe, but like, they came out with like a Lock-It face primer. That, like, I don't even think they sell it anymore, but that was like way too sticky and like I couldn't like even move it. Like my fingers would get stuck as I'm trying to like blend it into my skin. And they have the mint, I think it's like the mint melt primer, is it called? Like the newer one. That one also kind of has this like jelly consistency and it's quite sticky as well. That one's a bit more sticky than this one. But this, the Jelly Pop one, look at the glow it gives first of all. So I'm gonna pop on a bit of the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Hollywood Filter, just kind of where I usually put it. For foundation, I'm gonna be using the Fenty Hydrating Foundation, one of my faves. Oh wait, I've been using a sponge for foundation recently. Like if I've been wearing an actual foundation and not like a tint and moisturiser or something. And I do prefer it, but sometimes we're just lazy, you know? Concealer, can you guess what concealer I'm going to use? This is the Jouer Essential High Coverage Concealer. I'm actually almost out of Creme Brulee, like one of my shades of the Jouer concealer. I'm almost finished, and that will be my second one that I've gone through. Which never, but I rarely go through like, okay, concealers, like it's so hard for me to actually finish like a product of anything, same like with foundations and stuff, but I've gone through 2 of these concealers. That's how good it is. I'm gonna set my under eyes. I'm gonna use my Beauty Bakerie flour powder. I'm almost out of this as well. This is like the really old one, like they've repackaged it since, but like this is like the OG, like kind of like just when the brand kind of came out, I think. Like this is the old packaging. It looks completely different now. I'm gonna use my Sosu cream bronzer. This is the warm shade. So I'm actually gonna go over these creams with a powder, like bronzer and blush after, but let me just get rid of this under eye bake. Take the darkest red that I used. Harvest, which is this one. Blend that out a little bit. For blush, I'm gonna use this blush by the brand Eco Lips, and it's in the shade Pink. It's just a really glowy, this smells really good. It's just a really glowy, like berry kind of shade. I'm just gonna put it on the back of my hand here. Look at that colour. That looks really nice. Maybe I should try with my finger. I feel like that just didn't show up whatsoever. Oh, there we go, yeah. It's a bit better with your finger. Okay, I really like that blush. It's given a really nice glow as well. It's just kind of subtle, but it's still there. Alright, so I did want to go over top with powders just a little bit to kind of set them in place. So I'm going to use this Hourglass face palette. So I'm going to use the bronzer and then I'm going to top. So I'm going to use this little bronzer over where I put the cream contour, and then I'm just going to put a bit of this. This is one of my favourite blushes ever. Like, look how nice that is. I think we've got enough makeup on now, don't you think? Let me get a lip liner. So I'm going to be using Bare from LA Girl. I feel like I always use LA Girl lip liners, but you know what? They are literally the best for me. And for kind of the middle, I'm going to go over with Pixie from Nude Sticks. This is like one of my favourite like nude lip combos. Alright, do you need like a close-up of my face? I don't think anybody really needs that, but we're done! Like I need to do something with this hair. Oh my shit. Like this is it for me. This is hair like done. Anyway, that's it for the video, so I hope you enjoyed the little get ready with me for today. Let me know what you think of the makeup look as always. Should I straighten my hair? I feel like I should. This is so messy, but then again, I'm literally just going for coffee with my mom and it's raining outside, so like, my hair's gonna get wet anyway. Anyway, thank you again for watching.